Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve strap on your messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger backstrap, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will enter to messenger and we click here. Then you will enter to first stop and we click OK. After that we go to click storage. When you'll find this page, we click first stop and then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.